Hey beauties, I'm back with another Natural Glam. So I'm going to start out with my eyebrows here, and I'm going to speed it up a little bit so this video won't be 4 hours long. Now my eyebrows are all done. Now I'm gonna add some concealer to my eyelid. This is Spiked Beauty concealer. You want to make sure that you blend out your concealer so that you have a nice flat canvas to work with. Now I have a nice flat canvas. Here's the palette that I'm using from Lashing Glam. I'm going to go in with this deep brown first. Now I'm gonna blend it out with that brown right there. Now I'm just blending out the edges so that there's no harsh edges. Now I'm going to cut the crease with some Duckie Cosmetics base, eyeshadow base, and I'm just showing you the label. Some Duckie Cosmetics eyeshadow base in beige. This is the 888 brush from Duckie Cosmetics. I'm going to show the cut crease at regular speed so you can see the detail in the cut crease. You want to make sure that you take your time on a cut crease, and you make sure that it's above the crease on your eyelid. Now the cut crease is cutting, baby. Now we're going back into the Lashing Glam palette, and we're gonna blend out that end of the cut crease with that deep brown. Now I'm going into that orange color in the Lashing Glam Tropics palette. down, I'm going into that tan color and blend that in over top, like overlaying over top that burnt orange so that it blends seamlessly. Now I'm going into this peachy color here, and I'm gonna put that right in the front. And the eyes are done. We just need a little bit of eyeliner and we are done. Now we're gonna put on some eyeliner, and this is just some eyeliner from a beauty supply store. Now it's time to go in the face. This is some primer that is coming out from Duckie Cosmetics in 2025. This is a moisturizing primer, and it is very, very pore filling and comfortable, lightweight on your face. Now, this is my favorite foundation, y'all. This is Spiked Beauty Foundation. Spiked Beauty. Y'all have to remember that. It is very, very matte. It is very lightweight. It does not feel heavy on your face, and it does not feel dry. It's moisturizing as well as being matte. So you want to check them out. The link and information will be in the contents below. This is concealer from Spiked Beauty as well. I like a bright under eye, so I'm gonna add a lighter concealer on top of the one that I've already put down. Okay, now we're gonna warm my face up with some Slade Cosmetics contour powder. And this is in shade 14, I believe. I'm gonna contour my nose and then we're gonna do the rest of my face. Now we're gonna set my face. So we're gonna use some setting powder here and we're gonna set everywhere that we used concealer. Okay, now we're just dusting off all the excess powder. Now we're going in with some Slade Cosmetics blush. This is Coral Dream. It's orange blush. It is so beautiful. This is my favorite blush right now, y'all. Now we're gonna highlight with some Slade Cosmetics Slate Glitz highlighter. This is loose highlighter, you guys. Now we're gonna get started on the lip combo. We're gonna start off with some lip liner, and then we're gonna go over top of that with Bully from Duckie Cosmetics, her duck sauce. And then we're gonna use, I think it was Naked 2.0 for the lips, and that was from Slade Cosmetics. Now this is Spike Beauty Lash Glue. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lid so that we can prep our lid for our Duckie Cosmetics lashes. And that is the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Now I'm going to spray my face with some Phenomenal Woman setting spray from Spiked Beauty. This will lock in my look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Please come back and watch more of my content. Please subscribe, follow, and set the notification bell so that you can get notifications when I post new content. Have a great day. Peace.